Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have admin access and saved your work. Now open System Configuration. Once you type msconfig and press Enter, the window appears with tabs. Make sure you're on the Boot tab. This is where Windows forces safe mode. Don't proceed until System Configuration is visible and you can see the current boot options. That ensures you're changing the active boot flags rather than guessing. This short check prevents boot loops and keeps your system stable for the change. Once on the Boot tab, select your main OS entry and find the Safe Boot checkbox. Uncheck Safe Boot. This clears the Forced Safe Mode flag. That's the core change. Click Apply, then OK. Windows will prompt to restart. If you're not ready, choose Exit without Restart to finish later, but Restart is required to complete the removal. This step directly tells the bootloader to stop using safe mode, so it's the decisive action that reverts normal startup behavior. Restart the PC. It should boot normally after clearing Safe Boot. Once done, confirm by checking System Configuration again or observing normal desktop behavior. If Windows still enters safe mode, make sure no keyboard key is stuck, Shift or F8, check msconfig to confirm the flag stayed unchecked, and then scan for driver issues or malware. These can force safe mode on some systems. If problems persist, use a recovery environment to repair startup files or restore a recent system point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.